Try that again. Okay, ready? Whoops. Don't forget to steer. Turn, Catherine. Where did who go? Where did who go? There he is. You looking for Vinny? Okay, back up. Are you gonna do it? Hey, Belly.
Catherine, it's on the roof. Where is it?
You gonna go to the top? Want some help? Okay, let's go. Okay, go. Is there one on the roof? Yeah, I see it. You want some sunglasses on? You want sunglasses on? Okay, I'll look at them. You all done? Okay, you wait here. I'll be right back. Don't do that. Go get it. Where are you going? Oh, there it is. What is it? What is it? What is it? A tree? Show Daddy.
Let's see your tree.
A blanket.
You broke the tree?
She broke it.
Where is it? Show me.
See? Buckets.
Oh. Now you have 2 trees.
Mommy, get the Bible. Mommy. See? See? See it?
What is it?
I'm not the tree.
Is that a Monkey Nastic sticker? Good job.
Get broken.
What's broken?
He doesn't know where your sunglasses are.
Huh?
No, he doesn't know where your sunglasses are.
Mommy, it's him.
Watch your fingers.
Okay, I'm coming out. Here, let's put your hat on, okay?
Glasses.
I don't know where your glasses are. Sorry, sweetheart.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Ooh.
Maybe you can have a hat instead.
Ooh. I can't pull it.
Did you pull it? Oh, look.
Tree.
Cute hat. It matches.
Catherine. Hi.
I see it.
Your belly's hanging out.
see it.
Okay, I'll show you after. Say hi. Thank you. Okay, bye.
Bye.
What's your new phrase?
What's the phrase of the day?
Excuse me.
See me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me, Mommy.
What's your word of the day?
See me, Mommy.
What other words are you using today?
Your belly's hanging out. I think your shirt's a little small for you.
Belly buster. Whoa.
Are you gonna walk your stroller?
Yeah.